Je sens bon, je me sens bien. Are you tired of getting confused with bon and bien? Well, guys, we are about to dip our toes into French grammar and you are going to master when to use bon and when to use bien. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified every time I post a new video about pronunciation, grammar, spoken French, conversations, and learning strategies. Hey guys, I'm Lexi. I'm a French teacher and I'm the founder of the Power Your French course. And as my student Celeste says, it is the best online French course for beginners. Let's dive in. Bon means good, correct, right, nice, pleasant. Bon is an adjective. Adjectives go with a noun. Nouns name things like objects, places, people, concepts. For example, un fauteuil. Un fauteuil. And then I can add an adjective. Un bon fauteuil. Un bon fauteuil. Adjectives must agree in gender, masculine or feminine, and in number, singular or plural, with the noun. Masculine singular, un bon fauteuil. Un bon fauteuil. Féminine singular, une bonne santé. Une bonne santé. Masculine plural, les bons livres. Les bons livres. Féminine plural, bonnes vacances. Bonnes vacances. The opposite of bon is mauvais. That means bad, poor, unpleasant, wrong. Il a bon goût. Il a bon goût. Il a mauvais goût. Il a mauvais goût. And now, bien. Bien means well, right, correctly. Bien is an adverb. Adverbs go with a verb. What is a verb? The verb is the action in the sentence. For example, je dors. And then I can add an adverb. Je dors bien. Je dors bien. And good news, adverbs are invariable. So there is no gender agreement, no masculine and feminine, and no number agreement, no singular and plural. It is always bien. Bien is an adverb of manner. It indicates the way something is done. It is done well. Il travaille bien. Il travaille bien. Ça marche bien. Ça marche bien. Je me sens bien. Je me sens bien. The opposite of bien is mal. That means wrong, badly, poorly. Tout va bien. Tout va bien. Tout va mal. Tout va mal. But with some verbs such as être, sentir, faire, avoir l'air, we can use both. We use bon when we talk about taste. For example, at the restaurant, when the waiter gives you your plate, you can say ça a l'air bon. Ça a l'air bon. While you eating, you can say c'est bon. C'est bon. And at the end of the meal, when the waiter comes to pick up the plates and he asks you how it was, you can say c'était très bon. C'était très bon. And if you struggle to pronounce the French nasal sounds, make sure you check this video next. We also use bon when we talk about smell. Ça sent bon. Ça sent bon. Tu sens bon. Tu sens bon. We use bon when we talk about feeling, like a physical sensation. Il fait bon. Il fait bon. Il doesn't designate anyone. It designates the weather. Il fait bon means the weather is nice and warm. The weather feels good. And last, we use bon to say that someone has a good level. Il est bon. Il est bon. And guys, if you find this video helpful, please let me know in the comments. It will help my channel to grow and I will be able to do many more videos to help you learn French. So we use bon for taste, smell, feeling like physical sensation, and to say that someone has a good level. And we use bien for everything else. For example, you are going to see a movie and you could say ça a l'air bien. Ça a l'air bien. And after watching the movie, you could say le film était bien. Le film était bien. Or you are trying a shirt or a dress on and you could say ça fait bien. Ça fait bien. Like, does it look good on me? Another example, I can see that you are improving in French and that you're starting to understand the difference between bon and bien. So to encourage you, I could say c'est très bien. C'est très bien. And a piece of advice. If you are not sure which one to use a synonym. Ça a l'air bon. Ça a l'air bon. Ça a l'air délicieux. Ça a l'air délicieux. C'était très bon. C'était très bon. C'était excellent. C'était excellent. Le film a l'air bien. Le film a l'air bien. Le film a l'air génial. Le film a l'air génial. Le film était bien. Le film était bien. Le film était exceptionnel. Le film était exceptionnel. Let's see more uses of bien. Bien can be used as confirmation. Vous êtes bien marié. Vous êtes bien marié. Like, it's you, right? Or for example, if you go to the doctor and the secretary asks you, you have an appointment with Dr. Bertrand, right? You could reply, c'est bien ça. C'est bien ça. That's right. Exactly. Or for example, if you are with a friend and she asks you, does it smell like cheese? You could reply, ça sent bien. Ça sent bien. Like, it does smell. The perfect example of bien used as confirmation is if you call a French answering machine. Vous êtes bien sur le répondeur de Nicolas. Vous êtes bien sur le répondeur de Nicolas. Bien can also be used in the meaning of with pleasure, gladly, willingly. For example, your friend is asking you, do you want some chocolate? Je veux bien. Je veux bien. Yes, I would like, with pleasure. And now let's see more uses of bon. C'est bon can mean different things depending on the situation, depending of your tone, and depending of your gesture. For example, if someone is pouring you a glass of water, you could say, c'est bon, that's enough, that will do. Or if you give me your French homework and then I look at it, c'est bon, that's right, it's correct. Or if you are at the gym and you just use a machine and someone is asking you if they can use it and you can say, oui, c'est bon, like, yes, I'm done. And it can also mean okay. For example, are you available tomorrow? Oui, c'est bon. Yes, I am. Okay. And my favorite one, the one my mother used when she wanted me to eat my vegetables. C'est bon pour la santé. C'est bon pour la santé. is good for you. If you are ready to commit to learn French but you feel overwhelmed by its grammar complexity, I would love to help. Reach out to me. Below this video, you will find the link to my calendar, and I would be very happy to hop on a call with you and see how I can help you reach your French goals. And be sure to subscribe to my channel and check this video next. You can also find the link to the video in the description down below. C'est bon. C'est fini. T'as bien aimé? À bientôt!